What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we are going to push and finish this loop section. It's taken a while, and it's just because, it's just it's harder um, than the previous modules that we've done. So, oh. So yeah, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 more modules left in order to finish this section. So I hope we could get it done before the 30 days is over. But yeah, let's start with the nested loop. Nested loops are loops inside other loops. So for x in range, 2 for y in range, 2, that means 2 exclusive. We're just gonna have 0, 1. Oh. So first issue 2, but what's it called? It has 4 now. Um 0, 0, 0. That's the loop. The inner loop completes all its inner iterations for each iteration of the outer loop. So so for every outer loop, there's an inner loop. So for example, for this case, 0 and then 0, 1, 1 and then 0, 1 and then 2 and then 0, 1. So 2 rows, 2 columns, because so print star, bam, print star, bam, print. Okay, I think I get it. Complete this code to print 3 times 4, so 3 rows and then 4 columns with the star. Yes. On the inner iteration needs to be completed before the outside. But this is the app of this code. Let's see. So 0. Yes, it's gonna be 2 times. So 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Right. But this we're doing we are printing what? On a row and range. How many rows? Inner loop. 6, 6 times 3, 6. I. We're just doing this 3 times and we're printing I 0, 1. Um, is he gonna tell us? Which one was the wrong one? Bitcoin. Oh, for J in range, we're printing I. We're not printing J. It says print I. So 0. Okay. So twice it's gonna do 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2. What? This is generally so confusing. We already did this. So it'd be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. The inner loop prints the current value I 3 times before I change it. So for I in range, that'd be 0, and then it goes down for j in range, print it 3 times, and then goes back. Write code that prints a rectangle pattern starts using nested loops. Outer loop for rows. So for rows in range, and we want 3 rows. Um, we want 3 rows. So and then okay for cause in range. Prints each one on a print. Um, and then we want to print our star. One, this is going 1, 2, 3. Um, four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. I don't know. Print and equals. Yeah, the outer loop is creating the rows. Or rows. These few challenges has been so confusing. Yeah, the different row. This row is for each star in the columns gonna print a star. That kinda doesn't make sense to me. But row equals n. It's just confusing. Like, I'm just not catching how they're getting this code. So what they're doing, um, so row, and then column. Row is is basically bam. So it press a star, and then row goes down, and then goes back up, or no, row goes what? I don't know. I'm so confused. If you guys know how they got that, I'd like to know because it's generally super. This is just even more confusing. So for um, then for J and range, if if n um is no hints. If I think we're gonna have a value that keeps increasing. If that increased value goes to um if that increased value is divisible by 12, then we are gonna look for another value that basically multiplies the previous value by 12. So for iron range, this is I don't know. Um, mm, A plus equals J. J is percent 12 equals 0. If, okay, hold on. So if we're gonna plus 1, or we're gonna subtract I from 12 and then plus I. So let's see. Um, um, so for example, if we're starting from 12, right? Um, so we go down 11, go up to 3 times 11 doesn't equal 22. 3 times 10 is 30. 4 times not. Wait, no, that's not. Mm, I don't know. I It's just not clicking for me. It just doesn't make sense. Like, how can we use for loops and do this? If a number equals a number, then start from 12. Um, I don't know. I am really so confused. And plus 1? What? That was it? Are you serious? What? Why are we using n plus 1? Starting 1 is our starting point, and n plus 1 is our iteration. Virgin, what? Let's see if you could use this to like try to explain. Picks the first number in your pair, picks the second number. I still don't understand why in the world we're using n plus 1. Um, 1 n plus 1, 1 n plus 1, n plus 1. If, what? Is n plus 1 just so okay, whatever. N plus 1 is it sure we are still um getting inclusive up to 12. Okay. So we're just checking if j equals n. For I in range it starts from 1. So 1 times 1 is no, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16. How how is this checking it? Because we start from 1, right? Um, 2, it checks if e equals to 3. This just makes absolutely no sense. Um, this module has just generally been so confusing. Um, so they both started at 1. J completes his set. Oh my gosh. So J keeps checking. It goes from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Because remember, J, inner loops must complete for outer loops. So it must go from 1 to 12. Then it checks if I times J equals 9. I get the mistake that I made. It's just very discouraging. Recap dynamic input. Write a program that gets a dynamic number of inputs. The first input tells you how many variables to follow. What? Um, um, So one equals ins input, and then equals ins input. Um, follow what I the way they're wording this just makes no sense. Okay, initialize res to 0. I don't know. Hold 0. So for iron range, I I don't know how they getting this. This value completely has me stumped, and I'm definitely gonna have to study on my own time about this because it's just generally just gibberish to me. Like it makes absolutely no sense, and it's extremely annoying because I'm not being. This is not helping me. Like I don't know how they got this. Um, how it's invalid syntax. I don't know. I can't. I just had to print it, but I didn't even understand how this worked in the first place. I guess yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's the end of Loop's long video because a lot of this stuff is just extremely confusing. If you guys have any tips to help me, I would greatly appreciate it. But other than that, have a good